Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it's time to get cooking. And today guys, I am making a tater tot breakfast casserole. This is so good. And it's perfect this time of year because you can make this ahead and keep it in your refrigerator. And then when you need it, pop it in the oven. And then you have a delicious breakfast. It also makes a good amount. So if you're looking to feed a crowd, this is a wonderful recipe. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. So you will need a 32-ounce bag of tater tots, 8 to 10 eggs, 1 pound of sausage. However, you could use bacon or diced ham. 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 2 cups of milk, and then I like to put some chopped onions and green bell peppers in mine, but that's optional. You do not have to include them. And then you'll need some salt and pepper. All right, I'm going to cook my sausage until it's completely browned. I'm going to go ahead and add my diced onions and my green bell pepper. So I have my eggs here in a bowl. I'm going to give them a whisk. All right, then I'm going to add my milk. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt and black pepper. All right, I'm going to drain off some of this grease from the sausage. All right, so then I'm going to place my sausage mixture in a large mixing bowl. I'm going to add my tater tots and my cheese. And I'm going to mix it all together. Then I'm going to pour my tater tot mixture into a 9x13 baking dish that's been lightly greased. And then I'm going to pour my egg mixture over top. Okay, so how easy was that? Now I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about an hour or until the egg in the center of the casserole is done. Okay guys, this tater tot breakfast casserole looks and smells phenomenal. I cannot wait to have a bite. Oh, just look at this. The golden tater tots and the melty cheese. This is what I'm talking about. Oh. Listen, those tater tots on top are nice and crispy. Oh, this is delicious. It's hearty. This casserole, it has everything in it that you would need for breakfast, and it's all in one casserole. You cannot beat it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.